Page 4, Bagpipe. 4/4 time. We have treble and bass clef. A lot of quarter notes, half notes, few eighth notes stuck in there. Let's take it one hand at a time. Let's start with the right hand. You're starting out with a little finger on D here. So that puts your hand in this position. That's just the notes. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3. So we have eighth notes there. 1 and 2 and. Second measure again. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. And for the most part, that's the whole piece right there. The left hand, you just have a bunch of half notes. It's a G and a D. And that's it. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's probably where the bagpipe part comes in. That sounds like it. Put them together. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Not a lot going on, but there you are. That's it. Once you're comfortable with the fingers and the notes and you're not hesitating anywhere, and I suggest you learn to play this without looking at the keyboard. And it's kind of fun to watch the hands, and I do it a lot, but I don't have to. So I would encourage you as you do these, try and play them without looking at the keyboard. Just keep your eyes on the music. If it's memorized, you can look off at a wall or something else out, or close your eyes and see if you can play it without seeing what you're doing by feel. Is what I'm after. Then we add the articulation. There isn't really any articulation. You just play it all legato, and in the left hand you have the accents. I'm suggesting with the accent, you don't really need accents on these, but they did. Just separate them. You have to separate repeated notes anyway. That's just the way the piano's built. Give it a little slightly more separation, like maybe almost an eighth rest. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So I'm just lifting up like an eighth rest because of the accents. So put us together that way. It's. And then when you're sort of comfortable with that, put in the dynamics, louds and softs. The first line is loud, it's F. That's more for the right hand than the left. The left hand, we'll hear that okay. Don't overpower the right. We want to hear the melody, and that's in the right hand. You'll have to decide what loud is, because there's no set level for loud. It's loud. It's not really loud. It's just loud. You decide what loud is, and it'll change from time to time and day to day and place to place and piano to piano, whatever. For today, in this situation, now where you are, what is loud? And the left hand, because of the way they have the accents and all, go ahead and play that out, but make sure you can hear the melody. I'm still playing the right hand louder than the left. I want to hear the melody. Then in the second line, it's marked P for piano. It's like an echo. You come down. That's the melody. The left hand, you got to come way down. Even with the accents, you still come way down. Then the third line, you're loud again. Fourth line, back to soft. Those are the dynamics pretty much. That's close enough. There are suggestions, but they're all right. That's good practice. Put in these. This is fine. Speed-wise, allegretto is between moderato and allegro, between medium and fast. I call allegretto a fun speed. When I think of it, it's fun with it. Happy piece. However I'm feeling, or however much coffee I've had to drink, or whatever. It's just this. Other people will play it differently. That's fine. That's the beauty of music. Everybody will play it a little differently. That's why I don't demo these for you, although you can get, this book has CDs with it. I haven't listened to them, but don't plan on it. But you can hear other people playing it. My problem is if I demo it, you're just going to copy me and try and do what I'm doing, and I don't want that. Read the music, play the notes, and make it yours. You play it. As long as you're doing what the music is telling you to do, it's close enough. However, I would like to double check to make sure you have the right notes and rhythms, because those are important. So I'm going to play it really, really slow and encourage you to play it with me at the same time so you can hear, are you playing the same note I'm playing at the same time I'm playing it? We got to get that right. I'm not going to do any dynamics or any of that, just notes and rhythms. 1, 2, ready, go.